Hello, Facebook Live. Happy Friday to everybody. It is Friday happy hour with Jamie, cocktail time. And we have some big announcement to make. But before I go to our big announcement, I want to remind everybody tonight, Saturday and Sunday, you can still get our ribeye special. It's $9.99 to go. Call ahead. You can call anytime, order the ribeye. It does not come with any sides. It comes with roasted garlic on top. So if you want to order sides, we have broccoli, we have spaghetti squash, romanesco, cauliflower. We can do mushroom risotto. We also have a salmon risotto. We have our brown rice pilaf, mashed potatoes, and roasted potatoes. You can do a salad on the side. So call ahead and order that, 647-3000. And that is available tonight, Saturday and Sunday. We also have a beef teriyaki with rice and broccoli for $9.99. And then we'll be rolling out new $9.99 specials next week. If you haven't heard yet, New York City, not upstate New York, but New York City is now closed for indoor dining. So you can still do takeout and outdoor dining. But up here, we are still okay with indoor dining. Let's see what happens. Let's see what the governor says next week. I'm assuming that it's coming towards us too. Not sure. But fingers crossed that doesn't happen. But if it does, we still have takeout available here at Aroma Time. You can still take cocktails to go. We have our wines and beers available to go. So you can still get all of that stuff to go. So get our Aroma Time cocktails to go. If you're ordering to go. So let's see, $9.99 specials, I went over that. Our baskets, you can order gift baskets from us. We will make them for you. And you can call ahead, tell me what you wanted it. I'll have it ready for you. Just give me a couple of days. We can range them from $30 to $100 and whatever. We have a Three Philosophers basket, 3 old vintages of Three Philosopher. I think there's a 2010, 2011, 2012, and they're the big bottles. So that is available. We can wrap any of our bottles for you as well. If you would like us to wrap something, you want to give it as a gift. We do have gift cards available for purchase, so you can always get a gift card as a present for somebody. So as the holidays are rolling around, happy Hanukkah to everybody out there who is celebrating Hanukkah. And thank you everybody for watching me. If you're watching me live, you can put hashtag live. If you're watching me on the replay, hashtag replay. Here is our Mr. Peabody bourbon all wrapped and ready to go. So that is available. If you're watching on the replay, hashtag replay. If you're, give me a thumbs up so I know you're here. I always love to see who's on watching me. Let's see. Hi everybody. Thank you for watching me. Marcus and I are super appreciative of everybody's continued support. It's been awesome. Thank you. Don't forget, we have all of our fishes to go. So wild salmon, halibut, sablefish, our tunas to go. We have lots of things to go. Check out our list at aromatimebistro.com. It's under groceries. You can place your order with us and we will have it packed and ready for you. We will do curbside pickups, so that makes it easier so you don't have to come in the building if you feel more comfortable. So on to my big announcement. So I have something really special. Michael from Black Infusions was here this morning. He is the owner of Black Infusions. They make the black fig vodka and the apricot vodka. He's going to be coming out with something special soon too. But look what he delivered to me today. It is a cask. And we are going to start doing barrel-aged cocktails out of here. We are going to use Mad River maple cask rum. And we are going to be using the black fig vodka to make a Manhattan. And we're going to probably put cherry liqueur in it. This will be available. There'll be a spigot coming out of here. It'll sit on the bar. Here's the stand, so it'll sit in here. And we'll be able to pour you a cocktail from that. That is really awesome, really cool. I can't believe it. It's awesome. And we tasted this cocktail today. It was great. So I'm going to make it on the video today. And this was really cool too. I don't know if you guys have seen these, but this is a cocktail to go pouch. So we're going to start having these ready too for you. I'm not sure what we're going to put in it yet. I got to come up with the cocktail, but I think you poke a hole right in here and you can drink it at home. There'll be 2 cocktails. You can take it home, drink it at home out of the pouch, or you can pour it into a glass on ice. So that is really cool. That is from Michael from Black Infusions. So I'm really excited about getting started with something like that. So that is really cool. But in the meantime, I am going to make the barrel-aged cocktail, the Manhattan, that's going to be in this cask. It is actually a charred cask. I'm really excited about that. And we are going to start with 2 ounces of the maple rum, cask rum, and 2 ounces of the black fig vodka. And I'm gonna put my special secret in there. I'm gonna put my Luxardo Marciano cherry liqueur. I'm excited. This is gonna be a great addition to our bar. So I can't wait to get that together. That won't be here until next weekend. We still have to order the product to go in it. This Mad River, this is from Vermont, Mad River Maple Cask Rum. And then we'll get some more of the Black Infusions fig vodka, and then we can mix that up. We'll let it sit for a couple days, and then we'll be ready to serve it to you and get that into your glass. So I am going to shake this up here, and I'm gonna pour it. I like my Manhattans on the rocks. You can have it either way. And I am going to put a cherry in there. So we use these awesome Filthy cherries. They are black cherries from Italy. Thanks, Michael, for the visit today as well. That was really awesome to see Michael and to collaborate with like-minded people. We just always enjoy his company. We always enjoy seeing him. Hope everybody got outside, got a little vitamin D today. It was really kind of a nice day. I unfortunately did not get to run or anything today, and I'm actually on my way out to cater a private party at somebody's house. So cheers. That is so good. Mad River Cask Rum, maple rum, and the fig vodka with a little cherry liqueur. Super excited about that. Thank you everybody for watching me. Hello Michael, hello Mom, hello Al. I know there were a lot of other names and people, Daniel, Cheryl. Thank you everybody for watching me. I appreciate it. We're really excited about this cask barrel. I'll show it once again. Really excited about this. Everything will go in here. It will marinate for a couple of days, and then we'll be able to pour you some drinks, whether you have it in-house or you take it to go. So that's really exciting. And what else do we have going on? Monday night, we have a wine dinner here, $25 a person. It is 4 wines and a dish. And then in 2 weeks later, the 28th, we will be doing another wine dinner, another Italian wine dinner. This wine dinner, this Monday the 14th, it starts at 6:30. It's $25. You can't beat it. If you are not comfortable coming in, we could work on something, getting you the wine so you can take them home, and we'll get you the dish. You'll just pick it up. And then the 28th, we're going to do some live stream for those of you who can't get here as well. I'm not sure what's going to happen the next couple of days here in New York, but hope everybody's being safe out there. I hope everybody's feeling well. Happy Friday. Cheers to everybody. We are open. We have our ribeye special available all weekend, and then Monday we'll roll out a new set of $9.99 specials. We were talking about them last night. They sound like they're going to be pretty awesome, so stay tuned for that. And I think that is it for today. Hope everybody has an awesome night. Give a call, 647-3000 to place your order. And don't forget groceries, our wine dinner on Monday night, baskets, gift cards, all that good stuff. I know it doesn't quite feel like the holiday season, but everybody stay positive. And cheers. Hope everyone has an awesome day. We'll see everybody soon. Bye.